I have so you get started, okay?
Okay.
Some other student has something else, so probably today you only you, okay?
Okay.
It already tell you it's a length of 3,
Okay.
so there's no need to do that. You're missing new.
Oh.
Almost. This will waste time. You need to check the length as well because it may be empty string, so
Yeah.
empty this. Think about it, don't code it. Think about how to solve it efficiently. Tell me what you want to do. This one is easy, but you will eventually solve the problem. But how quickly you can get to a better answer, you have to think about it. Just not just to do coding right now. Tell me how are you going to solve it?
Uh, so like to check if like there's like any empty strings, and if there is, just to only check the other one.
This is still not efficient. Can you think about some other way?
Okay.
Don't type. Just tell me what are you going to do. The way you talk about still will waste time. Okay, struggling is good. Just think about it and tell me what are you going to do before you do coding. I want you to really think, use your brain to do coding, not just try to use brute force. Let me give you
Oh,
a hint.
wait,
Go ahead, go ahead, go
yeah.
ahead.
Like if it's greater like than amount like the length is greater than 1
Mm-hmm,
and the thing like the first digit is 1
mm-hmm. And then,
and like that adds like a counter and do the same for the second one.
yes, this would be a better answer.
Okay.
So get started to coding. No, you tell me what are you going to do? You want to use a coder. So first line is integer c equals 0, return c.
Okay.
Since you told me you want to use coder, no,
Huh?
integer c equals 0. Why are you after the if? C equals 0, and then return c right away. In the middle, you start to write the if statements. It is a very simple problem, but if you do use a wrong approach, you will write maybe 10 lines, 15 lines.
Okay.
Okay? Don't do that because right now we want to train you for a better coder. So tell me what you are you going to do right now before you do coding.
I'm gonna add like the digit in the first array and I'm gonna like wait.
Yeah, you add them and then what happened?
I also also add like B and like to compare like the both like I use like
Mm-hmm.
math.max
Mm-hmm.
and to return and like whoever's one's the greatest I return that one.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh. Hmm. Dr. Chai, you're muted.
Just do greater equal to.
Oh yeah.
You don't need a new line. The original one is good. Okay, this one. Next one. No,
Hmm?
this is no good. Think about it before
Oh,
you do it. Their number may be 5 element, maybe 10 element, maybe 100 element, then you are in big trouble. No, stop. Think about it carefully before you do coding. You may have 10 elements. You just need to swap the first one and last one. But you need to list everything. So here you want to do num1, num2, num3, num4, num5, num6, num7. You cannot do that.
wait, can I just do like create like a temporary value for like the first digit in nums and like swap
You
like
just
directly
swap
in
them.
nums?
Yeah, you just swap the first one and last one. Yeah.
Okay.
You read the problem carefully. You cannot do that. You have to think about it before you do coding.
Okay.
Otherwise, what will happen? You just write the num n minus one and then num 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's too many numbers. You don't know how long it is. That's a problem. Last one is n num
Oh yeah.
length minus one. Next one.
Well, when it's odd, will it like round up?
You have to calculate it yourself. That's not my problem anymore. I told you how to do it before. You need to be able to calculate when you have odd number. Your middle is this one, and you want to return this 3, right?
Oh, okay.
Don't just do coding. Think about it. You cannot just do that. You are trying to use the brute force again. So this one, first thing you want to do is not return. Why are you always like to return something? The first thing you need to do is like calculate the number median equals to nums length divided by 2. This is a very easy problem. Don't ask for trouble.
Okay.
Think about it before you do coding. Don't just try to hit your keyboard every time. You will be in trouble.
Okay.
So if you actually do not calculate the m, then you will have you will have nums, and then num star length divided by 2 minus 1, and then you have nums divided by 2, the length minus, and then nums, and then num star length divided by 2 plus 1. You're wasting time even to calculate this num star length.
Okay.
Don't do that. I mean, that's actually wasting time. You just keep typing. Think about it before you do coding. Put down your keyboard. Make sure you know that how can you get the answer.
Oh.
Read the problem carefully. Are you answering the problem they ask for? Read the problem carefully. Read for me.
Given an array of integers of odd lengths, look at the first, last, and middle values in the array and return the largest. The array length will
Yeah,
be
so
at least one.
this is the first, last, and middle. These are the first,
Oh,
last, and middle. You have to really read the problem. What's wrong with you? Slow down, right?
mm,
I'm not trying to find trouble for you, but you need to really do whatever it asks for. So something wrong. You check which one you went wrong. Master max nums 0 nums the length divided by 2.
oh, because it's three numbers.
Yeah. No. So slow down. Really think about it. How to solve the problem. Right
Okay.
now the problem is still easy. Just 1 line, 2 line, 3 line is easy, but later you go into the 30-line problem, then you will be in big trouble.
Okay.
Trying to understand this problem, okay?
Okay.
So tell me what they want after you finish, after you understand it. Read carefully, okay? Make sure you understand it before you do coding.
It wants us to check if there is a 1 followed by a 3 in the first two slots or the last two slots.
So how many cases you need to check?
3.
That's good. You can go ahead. So basically, what they want is you want to check an array. is 1-3 or 1-3 or 1-3. Only these three possibilities.
Okay.
So always have this in mind, making sure you see it before you go to coding. Okay, otherwise you may waste your time or write a long code. Always shorter code is better. Why do you need to do return right away? What's your problem? You have three cases.
Wait, can't I just like do like
You
or?
do a or, then this one is a super long, maybe 3 line, 4 line long. It's actually this long, maybe up to here. You're
Okay.
asking for trouble. So why don't you just do 3 line? And then you can copy. Yeah, you can copy. So what this actually is faster.
Okay.
If you consider copy, it actually is faster. But remember, your array may look at it. Array, do they say that how long it is?
No, yeah.
Yeah. Mhm. No, you still have something wrong. Okay, before you check why I say you still have something wrong,
Uh,
why I even don't need to go, I know you have something wrong. Why I can say that. This one, this is less than two, you return, but this one maybe also is equal to,
oh yeah.
then you're in trouble. So what you should do is this one, you need to move up to the here. This one, you need to move up to here because this one, both length of two is okay, right?
Yeah.
And then you delete that one. And then in the middle of here, if the length less than 3, what do you do? Right?
Yeah.
Use your brain. You are okay. You are smart, but you don't want to use your brain. You just want to play. You don't want to go deep thinking. That's a problem. Okay?
Okay.
My job is to guide you to do this thinking. But right now, you try to avoid it. That's normal. Okay? That's a lot of students will do that. It's okay. But
Okay.
you need to try to go deeper in thinking before you do coding. So tell me what they want and then tell me how are you going to do before you do coding. So tell me what they want first.
They want to combine like uh basically the A and B array, but
Mm-hmm.
starting from A in a total of only two slots. So
Mm-hmm.
if A takes up like only the slots A don't take up, B gets to use.
Mm-hmm. So if you want to solve this problem, what will you do?
First check how long A is,
Mm-hmm. And then,
and then to see how much will fit, and then like how many gaps are
whoa, whoa,
left for
whoa, whoa,
B.
wait, wait, don't jump to the conclusion yet. So you check how long A is, and then after that, what will you do?
We like fill in
Fill in what?
the new array.
But you may have a length of one, two, three. What are you going to do?
I only fill in the first two.
But your A may be zero, maybe one. So when you check A's length, what are you going to do?
Uh, if it's greater than
Greater or equal to two, you return the first two elements of A.
okay,
If it is one, what do you do?
I only return the first one.
Yeah. No, that's wrong.
No, like I add the first one to the array.
No, it just directly return one A, one B.
Oh, okay.
You see, you
Yeah.
have to go deeper, okay? Your problem is that you just, when you actually solve the problem, you do not go deeper, more step. You see, you think about one step. I may think about four step, five step. Then my coding is better than yours. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. You know what to do. But I don't want to tell you the answer because then you will skip the process of thinking, right?
Yeah.
Also, you already figure out you are going to check the A length many times. So what you do?
Make a variable for it.
Yeah, so basically integer an equals A length before you do anything. So an equals greater equals two. Wait. You want to return the longer one first. In this case, greater equals two. Because this one, you just directly return the first two elements from A. Go.
Mm,
Follow the game plan you set up. So when you do planning, your main process is to set up a game plan. Just like you
okay.
play basketball. I mean, you need to set up a game plan. The first quarter, how many points I may want to score. Second quarter, I may uh, score how many, and then how am I going to defend their long hits, right? That's
Okay.
what you need to think about. Use your brain. Excellent. Oh, stop, stop, stop. What are you doing now?
Hmm?
You don't have a plan. Redo it. You make a mistake. Why you return B0?
What do you mean?
Why do you return B0? You write
Wait,
the return
don't you
B0.
return like a empty? Don't you return like the
B0,
first one?
B0 is not an array. You want to return an array.
Oh, okay.
Stop. Do thinking first before you do coding. Your problem still not solved yet. So what should you check first?
Can I do like if like uh A's like first A0 like exists, add that to the array, and if B0 exists, add that to the array.
No, that's not the best one. There are better answer. The first thing you would do is actually if A the length equals 0 and the B the length equals 0, what we do?
Return an empty array.
Okay, return an empty array. If only A the length equals 0, what we do?
Return the first digit of B.
As an array.
Yeah,
And then if B's length is 0, what we do?
and return like the first digit of A as an array.
Yeah, and then other case.
Return the first digit of A and the first digit of B as an array.
This is the plan that you should have.
Okay.
So your problem is that you did not set up a good game plan before you do coding. You just want to type. That's the problem. Slow down. Don't do that. Okay. Next one, I'm not going to help you. You have to go find it by yourself. Okay.
Okay.
I want you to figure it out. I don't remind you how to do anymore. Okay. You have to figure it out by yourself. But if you are wrong, I still tell you. But before that,
Okay.
you should figure out by yourself.
Right.
But do not do coding right away, okay? You do next some other section.
Do I do warm up
You
two?
do warm up to, yes. Makes sense. This is very poor. Redo it. Think about it before you do it. So what do they want?
Return like the first three or whatever less than three if like the string is less than 3 characters long, like
So
many times.
first thing you need to figure out is what?
How long the string is, if it's like more than three or less, if it's less than three lengths.
And then if you after that, what should you do?
Uh, like
You
check
figure
if
it out,
it's
is length longer than three or shorter than three, then what should you do?
like find if it's equal to 0, like the length.
You already figure it out. The first thing you check is like, it's longer than three or less than three.
And then like if it's less than three, you just return many st strings like attached to each other.
Wrong.
If
That is wrong. That will waste time.
Hmm.
First thing that I will do is I will declare a variable called S3. And then
and then after you declare like S3, you return
return
re
S3 by n time. Then you return S3 by n time, right?
yeah.
Then do it. No, you need to have the R.
Hmm. Yeah.
Oh, it's a pretty easy problem, okay?
Okay.
At this moment, you're still not thinking properly. That's a problem. You just messy doing your coding. That's wrong. One more problem. Okay, this one, I definitely not going to help you. You have to figure it out. You cannot just always come up with a bad plan to do it. Why do you need to do if there?
To check if it's like less than like the string length.
Why?
I don't know.
Why you delete it? Tell me why. I need to listen to why you actually want it or you don't want it.
I was originally thinking like maybe it was causing error. If it was like less
But
than if
will it cause error or no?
no,
Why not? Why it won't cause error?
because like it's in the for loop statement, like for like this.
Yeah, it never go into the loop actually.
Yeah.
So this
Okay.
if is totally useless. This is the part I need to train you. You just do something that's stupid. You never think about it and you do it. That's the problem.
Okay.
Okay? You think about deeply, you know that that won't happen. Your problem right now so far still is you want to get the job done. That's good. Okay, that's actually good. You want to get the job done. That's good. But you just try to use a brute force to solve it. That's a problem. So later you bump into some trouble
Okay.
if it is not out of a very careful thinking.
Huh.
Why do you do substring?
Okay.
One moment. This one doing substring is nothing wrong, but you don't do it in the correct way. You try to check each individual character.
Oh, for like substring, I just like check there's like a set of X.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why I told you, you have to have a plan. What are you going to do?
Okay.
And this one, you already choose a window of two. You already, that if it doesn't have the two, you won't go into the, even go into the loop, right?
Yeah.
One more problem, one more problem. 10 more minutes, maybe you can do two more or three more. Wrong.
Mm.
Stop. Wrong. This is wrong.
The for loop.
The whole thing is wrong. So tell me what do they want?
I want to see like the first existence of X has like another X after it.
Yeah. So what should you do?
Locate like the first existence of X
Yeah, and then
and then check if the letter after it is also an X.
yeah. But your first X may be here, maybe here, maybe here.
Yeah.
So why do you do minus one? Why your I have the I that's then the length minus one. You still need to check the last one.
Yeah, but if it's the last one, then there can be another X after it.
Yeah, okay, you go ahead.
Oh, wait. This return statement just can just like be anything, right?
You know why you are wrong?
No.
This one you still get a force. If this one plus equals, this one should be in the if. That's the problem, actually.
Wait, I don't get what was wrong with like my original code.
Your original code,
Yeah.
you do not do this. No matter you find the first X, no matter there's a X or no X, you'll return something. You don't need to check other one. This means that no matter what you have, you will return something. You put it outside, then that means that you find an X or no X. If no X, you may go next one.
Ah.
That's the problem. You don't go next one. You already determined you have to return something.
Okay.
Only one case that I don't check the tail because it is the last letter. The X is happening on the last letter. We do return
Okay.
false. Okay.
Yeah.
One more problem. That's one. You struggle a bumpy a little bit today. So what you should do is that go back to do every problem you work on today later in the week.
Okay.
back up everything, and then redo it by yourself again and again until you have no problem getting it right at the first time. Okay.
Okay.
Key point is not coding. Key point is your thinking process. The process you come up with an answer. So don't rush to do coding. Okay, this is good, but why do you use the substring?
Cause like you can't add uh characters to like strings, so I can't use like character at.
Who said that?
Like I remember like previous code I did and there's like error.
You remember it wrong.
Oh, okay.
Why you are wrong?
Huh?
Why you are wrong? Why you don't remember it? Because this one is a plus equal. Plus equal, you put a capital there, you put a string there, it's fine. But if you have this S and then you assign a character to it, say this is a string, you assign a character to it, it's wrong.
Oh, okay.
You're messing things up.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, good night. Bye bye.
Okay. Bye. Thank you.